How you doing, guys? And welcome back. And yep, like you see, you know where we at when you see all the trailers, right? Yep, we're back at it again. Another weekend out in the water. But today we're going somewhere different for you guys and for me, because I've never been here. I've seen it on my friends' posts and videos, but I've never been to it, and I always wanted to go. So this weekend we're going there, and we'll meet up with some friends there, and you guys are coming along for the ride. So let's go with the show on the water. Let's go.
And as you can see, we're ready to hit sail or turn on the power. Like you notice also, we disinflated the two last chambers of the dinghy. Like that, it sits deeper into the hull and the wind doesn't hit it, and when it does, it tends to pull it off. And also, we tied the motor to the rail. Like that, no one has to sit there holding it through the whole ride. And if this is your first time watching this video or to the channel and you like doing water activities just like us, make sure you subscribe and turn on all notifications. Like that, you're gonna get notified for the new videos coming up. And if you're already a subscriber to the channel, you know this is exciting for me because I've been planning this for a while now, and finally we get to do it. And the exciting part is we normally stay one night in the boat, but this time it's gonna be 3 days on the boat and 2 nights. And also I calculated that we're gonna run about 70 miles one way, so I load up with fuel about 210 gallons just in case we have to run around and run the generator. And so far this is gonna be our farthest trip we ever done. Well, like you see, it looks like open ocean, but it's not. This is actually the bay, and we're heading towards Key Largo, and right there is Carson Bridge. And if you're not familiar with Carson Road, this is the split at Florida City that makes you go east, and then it comes around and it joins up again at Key Largo.
All right, so anybody familiar with this area here? Is anybody familiar? Where we at? Where we at? Yep, we're at Gilbert's. We're passing right now through Gilbert's. Hey, like you notice the day is kind of cloudy, but hopefully it clears up for tomorrow. And that's Gilbert's right there, famous tiki bar in Key Largo that we're gonna be visiting there hopefully. So that's it right there, guys. We'll be there soon, maybe on the way back. We'll stop, it depends, I don't know. So right now we're just gonna cruise. All right, like you saw, Fresco was driving, but he only drove for like 30 minutes and he got tired. So he's a rookie. Whoa! So I'm here driving, and if you guys been here around Key Largo and the Keys, you know that it's always flat. But it's so windy today that we have like a full wave chop. It's so windy, but you know, we're still going.
And like you can see, we are cruising at 35-36 miles an hour at 41,000 RPM because we want to conserve fuel and not abuse the motors, even though Suzuki's are rated for 6,300 RPM. And here's the unique but tricky part of traveling through the Keys, that there are a lot of channels through the mangroves, but they're not that wide, and also they're really curvy, so you gotta be careful for the incoming traffic. So what I try to do is hug the banks, but not so close so you don't bottom out. And also look ahead, because most of the time there's people actually fishing by the channel, so you have to be ready to avoid them too.
We reached our destination. It took us actually 2 hours to get down here. It's from Bayfront Marina to all the way to outdoor resort at the Keys. And we just threw the dinghy in the water. Now we're gonna connect the motor and get the show on the road. So stay tuned for more.
Let's go. Ready, Joel?
You got it? Now the center.
Ooh, dinghy is ready.
Watch out. Hey, Bubble.
Let's go to land. Yeah, ready? Yeah.
Almost. We still gotta connect the fuel tank.
And life jackets.
Yeah.
Okay. And the sun is beautiful.
Hey, go ahead on play. Show them what you got. Choke, please. Choke. Come on. Put the choke in. There you go. Now put it in.
No,
There you go. Got the dinger. Ready to dinger. Always represent. Always represent.
Ready to mingle.
All right, ready to go. Let me get some of that apple. Come on. Hold on, she's being selfish. All ready? Go ahead.
None of you're wearing shoes. Except me and Mom.
And we're about to hit land. Look at this. Looking like rests. Look at all these rests that just came from Cuba.
So we're all here hanging out at a friend's backyard, and you cannot go wrong with this beautiful view. And if you guys are not familiar, the Keys is one of the most beautiful places to watch sunsets, like the one we're watching now. I mean, it's a little cloudy, but still, it's a beautiful sunset to see.
My friend's house is right there on the dock, and we anchor right in the front because we're gonna stay on the boat. And it's time to make some Barbie. Letting it warm up, and we're just enjoying the weekend here, having fun. The Keys, just hanging out for the weekend, and you guys gonna enjoy the video hopefully, because I've never been here, so it's gonna be something new for you, something new for me. Then we got Chef Gabby again in La Casa
The pasta.
with the pasta woman.
Is this the same one?
All right, so we're doing that. There you go. We're making some chicken breasts and barbecue chicken breast. And let's go check out what else is being made. What's else being made? Chef Big Mama's doing another bow tie. And
special.
Oh, we got a special tonight. Okay, what's the special?
Big Mama made.
What is that? Pumpkin?
Pumpkin
Squash, calabaza, whatever.
Squash. There we go. Oh my goodness.
Un mojito.
A mojito.
Homemade mojito, garlic, onion,
Good.
olive oil, and lemon.
So we're getting 5-star meal at the Keys on the boat. That's pretty cool. And check out the view. Check out my view. Check out my view for tonight. All right. Staying behind my friend's house here at the Keys, and we got our condo. So see guys, What I told you, I moved my condo to the Keys. You see? Told you my condo is cool because I can move whatever I want. This weekend we're at the Keys. So, and we're doing barbecue on the water, on the condo. Check it out, guys. Look at that chicken breast and squash, please. How's it taste? It smells good. All right. Here we go, $1 million dinner. Oh, everybody like that $1 million wife. There you go, right there. You're a $1 million wife. She made that before coming, you know, and then she seasoned the breast before coming to the bowl, so it'll be easier. So you know. I guess let me get this one.
So we're here enjoying a homemade dinner, our condo on the water. And I guess this area, we'll call it the balcony, with a beautiful view of the bay at night at the Florida Keys. But stay tuned for more because this is just our first day arriving here, and we have more videos coming up of the sandbar and the beautiful view in the morning that we woke up to.